What's going on, everyone? I am here. This is Diekin. I'm here with the owner, Brian. Owner, you're one of the owners, right?
Yes, I am. Me and my brother, Steve.
Steve, they're the owners of Friendly located here in Las Vegas. And I just have to tell everybody that this is the vision. I've been walking around doing a tour here. We're live right now in Las Vegas. And he wanted to bring me around to his executive suite. And so this is inside of an RC hobby shop where you sell your RC cars, your drones, and everything else. And inside this executive lounge, we have a miniature arcade with a bunch of arcade one-ups. And behind me, over on that arcade unit, we have a Supreme Team image.
Indeed.
I probably worked on it. I think it's a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, whatever the case might be.
Yeah.
But everything in here is modded. But I'm impressed. This is one of the most impressive places I've ever visited. I would probably say, to me personally, better than Disneyland because well, the reason why I say that is because I've been making a lot of RC car videos, RetroPie, video game stuff, and typically you only see content creators targeting one specific genre. This is the first time I've actually walked into a place and it encompasses the full vision I've had, like, for my channel. It truly represents what my channel is about: hobbies, RC car, video games, whatever the case
3D
might
printing,
be.
yeah.
3D
they do
printing.
It all here, yeah.
They do it all here. And so you got a big screen TV right behind me. Mm-hmm. And so I just wanted to go live here to express my gratitude for this gentleman.
Thank you. A legend showing up here? Are you kidding me? It's a treat for me. So thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm happy here. So now my wife is going to get upset with me because this is another place I can come visit in Las Vegas. I mean, they're not too far away from the Strip. I think about maybe 30 minutes. I'm going to finish doing the video walkthrough, but this is what it's about. Like when you guys see me putting out videos talking about arcades, and then maybe you guys subscribe to the channel because you like, the arcade one-up content or RetroPie stuff, and then you see me post an RC car video. This place is why. Stuff like this, because it's all tinkering. We got a refrigerator here in Golden Tee. We got that modded. He's got, what is this, the Star Wars sit-down?
No, this is a custom build a friend built for me.
Okay.
We even named it ourselves. It's called Kickin' Asphalt. PlayStation 5 in it. Elevated pedals, all the Logitech wheel. We play all the latest and greatest, driving racing games on it. It's fabulous. Subwoofer, you need to sit down here and try this too. Subwoofer under your butt.
Right.
Speakers in the seat. It's just fabulous.
Let me get in here. So did you follow any type of mods online to do this? Oh, I feel it. I could feel the vibration of the subwoofer in here.
Yeah. Want me to turn it on?
Oh, sure. Let's try one.
Okay, you got to get your foot on the other side.
Oh.
It's probably loaded. There you go.
Kind of a tight fit?
Yeah, it's tight. It's tight.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, now the wheel's working. Let me get you something there.
Oh, wow, I definitely feel it.
It's cool. Wait till it starts.
So what did you start out with as far as your cabinet?
He used to build miniature arcade one-ups, and then he it's a one-up actually and just widened.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't does a guy, if you know Kongs R Us, he does a lot of this stuff. Oh, this feels great.
Oh, wait till you drive it.
All right, Zoomy.
What's the price on this if you had to throw out a number?
Try to calculate how many fireworks the Dirt Off-Road Series sets off every season.
Nice. This feels great.
It is a lot.
Where you want to race?
Oh, I just want to put it on, just test it really quick.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh, this feels great. So I got subwoofers and speakers behind me too.
You do.
So yeah, we got speakers somewhere back here.
Yes. Everybody not get this going.
Oh, that's okay. I feel it. I mean, you don't have to start anything.
But you gotta see it driving.
And this has a PS5 in here.
It does. PS5. Come on.
Do I have to? Okay, you got it?
No, I
You got it?
There it goes. I'm touching the wrong damn buttons. And it's got the shifter right here.
I'm on drive stick shift. I'll just test it out for a few seconds here. Does the seat move back?
Yes.
Oh, okay, there we go.
There we go.
All right, where's my pedal?
Right there.
Oh, no wonder. There we go. Oh, this is sick. Ah! Back up.
It takes a little bit of boost, but that's cool.
There we go, there we go. It feels like it's fighting me.
It's got a little bit, it's got, you know, it's got the feedback, force feedback.
Ah, I see, okay. Oh, this is cool.
It is cool, isn't it?
Oh, I love that. That's pretty cool.
It's really nice.
And this is all real popcorn and stuff over here too?
What's up?
Yeah, sure. I'll take a bite. Let's get some popcorn.
Okay.
What's going on, Rexer? Would you guys believe I'm actually inside an RC hobby shop? This is the executive lounge.
The executive lounge. Want butter?
I'll just a little bit. Yeah, I'll take a couple bites.
Okay. Put the butter there.
It's pretty good too, because I haven't had lunch yet.
There you go.
Brian thinks, oh wow, look at that.
Anytime. And we got cotton candy too, but it makes a mess, I'll tell you.
The cotton candy makes a mess?
It makes a mess.
Man, I wish your brother was here.
Yeah, he's down at our other shop. We have 2 stores in town.
All right, I gotta head over there.
We're gonna meet him down there.
Does the other one have a room like this too?
No. It's in a Walmart center. It's the real estate's very expensive down there, so it's very small. This place we do good. And we own this whole building, so next door, and they're open. You got to go see this the drift track.
The drift track?
Gorgeous, the drift track.
I think my buddies come down there. Tech One Drift.
No.
You know them?
No.
Okay.
This is Prototype RC.
Prototype RC. Okay. All right, let's go finish checking out the rest of the hobby shop, guys, and I gotta eat my popcorn. All right, is there anything this way? All right, it's got more stuff here. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that really quickly. Let me show you where I'm at first of all. So this is the executive suite, executive lounge, and we are inside the back of a standard hobby shop where they sell RC cars and drones and other things like that. So just want you guys to take a look really quickly. You would never guess all that was back there, right? So I'll have a full walkthrough video here in just a few minutes, but just wanted to show everyone what's going on, man. Can't believe I'm in a freaking hobby shop. And they got arcade games and stuff. Oh my God. All right, guys, I will catch you all later. You guys all have a good afternoon, and you guys definitely enjoy. Set this here for a second. Peace out. You guys have a good day.